In this video, I will show you how to get your own powerful WhatsApp bot using Heroku. We've covered a ton of ground showcasing the bot's powerful capabilities. Let me give you a quick refresher. Imagine having the power to see messages even after they've been deleted using the anti-delete feature. Imagine being able to save and view once photos and videos as many times as you want using the anti-view once module. Imagine being able to see what was in a message before it was edited, giving you perfect transparency. These are not just fantasies, these are all built-in features of the TCT bot, and today, I am going to show you how to get all of this, and more, running directly on Heroku. Now, before we begin, all the links you need for this tutorial, for our website, and for the app we're about to use, are in the description. First things first, our pre-flight checklist. You will need two things before we even look at a line of code. A GitHub account. This is where we will fork the main project repository. A Heroku account. This is our final deployment destination. Got them? Excellent. Now, let's go to our familiar hub, the official i-tct.com website. On the top navigation bar, make sure you select the WhatsApp service, not the Telegram option, as we are focused on our WhatsApp bot today. The absolute first step, as always, is the session ID. This unique ID is the key that pairs the bot framework with your personal WhatsApp account. Click on that Get Session button. You know the drill, folks. Enter your secret password, and then hit the Get QR code button. A new QR code will display. Grab your phone, open WhatsApp, go to Link Devices, and scan that code. Once the link is successful, a long string of text, your session ID, will be generated. Copy this ID immediately. We will be using it in the final steps of the Heroku configuration, and it is the most critical piece of data in this entire process. The next section of the website focuses on deployment methods. Today, our star is Heroku. Click on the button that says Deploy with Heroku. This action will take you to a new page. Look for and click the option that says Fork Repository. This is a crucial, necessary step. It will redirect you to GitHub, where you will see the official TCT repository. Do not change the repository name. Leave it as TCT. Now, look on the same line, just to the left, and you will see your GitHub username. For example, mine is the Carl Tech. Take note of this username, because it is going to be used in the next step. This process creates a copy of my bot source code under your own GitHub profile, allowing you to deploy it independently. Scroll down the page and click on the Create Fork button. This will complete the cloning of the repository to your own GitHub space. Once the fork is created, head back to the page that originally had the fork repository link. This page now requires a small, but vital, piece of information, your GitHub username. This is where my username, the Carl Tech, will go. By entering your username, the system knows exactly which copy of the repository, your new fork, to deploy. After entering your username, click the Deploy to Heroku button. You will now be taken directly to the Heroku deployment pipeline. If you're not logged in, it will prompt you to do so. Once logged in, the Heroku application creation page will appear. App name, you need to choose a unique name for your application. This can be anything you like, but keep it simple and memorable. I'll go with just TCT. Settings, leave all the default settings as they are. They are configured correctly for this bot. Config vars, scroll down to the configuration variables section. You'll see the line for session. This is where you paste the session ID you copied back in step 4. Paste that long string of characters here. You can also adjust the time zone variable to your local time zone if you wish, for better log tracking. With those details correctly filled, hit the Deploy App button. This is the point where Heroku initiates the build process. It will pull the code from your GitHub fork and set up the server environment. This might take a few minutes. If this is your first time deploying a paid dyno, Heroku will prompt you to enter your billing credit card information. Choose your plan. Again, for stability and an actual 24/7 service, the basic $7 per month plan is the one to pick. Once billing is confirmed, the build will finish and you will see a message confirming the deployment is successful. We're almost there. Your app is deployed, but it's not running the bot yet. We need to tell Heroku which part of the code to keep running all the time. Now, when the bot's configuration is completed successfully, click on Manage App. After that, navigate to the Resources tab within your new Heroku application dashboard. By default, both the Web Dyno and Worker are on. Leave them that way. To confirm that your bot has officially launched and is connecting to WhatsApp, go to the top right corner and click on the More drop-down menu, then select View Logs. You should see the terminal log scrolling, indicating the bot is initializing and connecting. The final and most satisfying confirmation is to simply test the bot itself. Go to your WhatsApp chat with the bot and send the command, ping. If you receive a reply, a pong or a status message, then congratulations! Your free PowerShell WhatsApp bot is now running 24/7 on a stable cloud platform. You're done! Now, if you were as amazed as I am by how straightforward this professional-grade deployment was, check my other videos to learn how to configure the bot like a pro. Remember, while Heroku offers stability, on our website you have other choices. For ultimate control, there's the VPS method, my personal choice, and for completely free testing before you commit to use either VPS or Heroku, use Termux or the Windows PowerShell deployment. Though be aware these free options only run when your device is actively connected to the internet. All these methods, along with the full feature list for your new bot, including anti-delete and anti-edit, are available for you to compare and learn more about on our official website. To help you continue building on the foundation we established today, on this channel you'll find our video demonstrating the VPS deployment method in full detail. If you want more control than Heroku offers, this is your next destination. You can check it out. And I have showcased the Termux and Windows PowerShell free deployment methods side by side, giving you a full comparison of the beginner options. I guarantee that if you were amazed by this video and the stability of Heroku, you will find those two videos essential for understanding the full spectrum of bot deployment. On the website, click any of the videos to keep the building process going strong. Any new deployment method you will get it here. I will see you there.